Hello again, back on the final steps of the underside of the e30. Just getting the last bits done. I'm quite keen to get it flat on the floor again so I can start on the roll cage. What I did here was I primed more on the bottom mat to get all the grit and dirt off it. I used a drill with a wire brush attachment on that. That black there is the Ross converter. It's not raw, it's solid, but it's just been converted. I paint everything with a Ross converter. Yeah, just patching up these holes. The wheel well was so thin. I presume it's on the bend, that's where they press it, and it makes the steel go thinner anyway. But it was very tricky to weld to, very problematic. As soon as if you put too much heat in or too much of a weld, it would just burn through, and you had to like chase the weld trying to fill it back in again. Yeah, this was just welding that piece in. There was another 2 bits there, and then I treated it all again and then primed it. I don't know why I treated it before I actually welded it, but I treated it again afterwards with the crust, put the primer on it, and then these were the bushings from the rear beam. They were well seized in there, so I had to undo the bolts that hold it in. You can actually tap them and they go through into the car. So I put the nut on, tapped them, and then I could knock the bushings about and they came out. So it wasn't as big a problem as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, this is the underside fully finished now. It was a lot more work than I thought it would be, but at least it's done. I've got to underseal it, but it's pointless undersealing it and then welding plates onto the floor because I'm just going to burn the underseal. It's just going to catch fire when I put the roll cage in. So I might as well put the roll cage in and then jack the car up and then underseal it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.